Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing OYO Hotel Durant MS Bowling Green Road. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. 1.3 miles from Durant, OYO Hotel Durant MS Bowling Green Road is located in Durant and has air-conditioned rooms. Among the facilities at this property are a 24-hour front desk and room service, along with free Wi-Fi throughout the property. The property is 4.7 miles from West Hill and 5.6 miles from Hoffman. At the hotel, all rooms come with a closet. At OYO Hotel Durant MS Bowling Green Road, the rooms are equipped with a desk, a TV and a private bathroom. Castalian Springs is 4.3 miles from the accommodation, while Aberdeen Junction is 4.5 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Jackson Evers Airport, 71 miles from OYO Hotel Durant MS Bowling Green Road. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.